Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video I am going to share you another new great DeFi project named Give Up Token, and the website link is giveup.charity. As you know guys, there have been many scam projects that come daily in the market and they scam very fast without paying an investment back. But the Give Up token is a great trusted platform from a trusted admin. If you buy this token now, it may be profitable too in the future. But as you know guys, you have to invest only at your own risk. I am not a financial advisor. So when you open the site Give Up Charity, you can check $METH is a charity drive and fair launch community token that will be donated to help recovering addicts. You can buy it on PancakeSwap here. You can check the chart here. Let me show you the contract address of this here. You can check the contract token Give Up, and you can check the total supply is 1 quadrillion and holders are 412, and transfers are, you can check here, 1720 transferred. Here you can check the contract address. Here you can check the decimal digit is 9. Here you can check it on Pukan chart. If you click Pukan chart, you can check the total supply here, and you can check the market capital is $68,564, and here you can check $METH BNB LP BNB holdings 30.36.96 BNB, which is equal to $14,118. Here you can check the price of this Give Up METH BNB, and when you go down you can check the chart of this here. It will grow surely up because it is taking lot of marketing. Here you can check the transfers of this, and when you go here you can buy it on PancakeSwap. I will tell you how you can buy. Here you can check the About Us treatment for those who in need of help. Our community token is created to provide caring, effective addiction treatment to those who need help. Our support will be available to everyone regardless of age, gender identity, race, economic standing, and or romantic orientation. And you can check the 2% of every transaction goes directly to the charity wallet. The charity wallet will be donated to a charity of choice voted by the community in order to help the countless people fighting during drug addiction in the world. Come by the community and tell us your recovery stories. We are a community aimed at helping other addicts and end the cycle around the world. Not everyone can find the support they need in the personal. We in the METH community share our experiences so everyone can join and freely that they are free from judgment. You can check the BSC contact address from here. You can check their marketing wallet address here, and when you go down you can check the roadmap easily of the site. You can check the token sniffing listing and all this on question 2 phase and question 3 phase exchange listing marketing and all that, and you can check question 4 listing on major exchanges, partnership with huge number of charity, partnership with other project similar to this one. And here you can check about the token. Here METH token features and tokenomics. Here you can check token name is METH charity wallet. You can check 2% of every transaction goes to charity wallet, 7% of the token go to the liquidity pool, and 1% automatically get distributed to all the holders of their site. Charity is orientated token that will donate to help recovering drug addicts. Here you can check the FAQ of the site, and you can simply watch the FAQ of the site. And here if you want to see the white paper of the site, you can simply click the white paper here, and it will be get to the white paper coming soon. You can check the white paper will be added soon this site, because this site has been started soon. So now how you can buy this token? Simply click on buy on PancakeSwap and it will take you redirected to this page. There simply you have to simply click I understand button, then click continue, then you have to connect your wallet here. Like then you can swap from BNB to $METH. Like if I want to swap from 1 BNB, you can check 1 BNB. In 1 BNB here you will get the number of tokens, how much you will get, and then you can simply swap it the tokens. You can check this much of amount of tokens I will get. You can simply get the swap button here. So site is very great. If you want to invest here, you can invest here. All the links you will get in description. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, subscribe my channel.